everybody, what's happening? We are my truck is getting sort of an upgrade in a way, and I bit the bullet on it because if you guys noticed, when I did all the YouTube shorts of fixing up my truck, especially with the engine. So you probably know where I'm going with this. Probably. But I'm watching the road. Sorry, I'm driving at the same time I'm doing this. Probably shouldn't be filming while I'm doing this, but I am anyway. I was trying to fool with the intake manifold gaskets, upper and lower. And, I cleaned it all. And, you guys saw all that gunk, that buildup that was in there. And it's not getting any better. Unfortunately, it's still running rough. I'm still having the lean codes and all that, and I think this honestly, I think the engine is just worn out. And I was talking with my brother-in-law about the route I want to go with it, and I don't want to get rid of the truck because it's a good truck. The transmission works. It's just unfortunate. Sorry if I'm shaking. It's just bumps in this road. It's just it's just the engine is I don't think the guy, whoever where they got it from. The guy said he got it from a junkyard. He didn't. They didn't do nothing to take care of it. I guess whoever had the truck where it came off of, and it's not running right. It's messing up spark plugs. It's still burning oil. I'm having to constantly throw oil in it every time you turn around because it's burning as quick as all I can get out. I spend more on oil than I probably am putting gas in the truck, even that for it being a V6. So anyway, I bit the bullet, and I got another engine for my truck. It's a used engine. My brother-in-law works for LKQ, and this one has 91,000 miles on it. If I'm able to, I'll put the picture up here, and you guys can see what it looks like on the screen. That's the picture my brother-in-law sent me where at the shop it's getting dropped off at. I thought, maybe it could be something you can do. Or I never tried to drop an engine in a truck before, or let alone any vehicle before. But it's probably, I don't have the time. I work full time and all that. It's kind of hard for me to sit there and put an engine on and try to do something like that. So my truck is getting dropped off. I have to drive up to Springfield, Tennessee for it to go get it done. I'm gonna go park over here real quick. See if I can get in here. But yeah, I gotta go get this done. I'm gonna go get it done. Sorry, you guys saw I'm close and personal there. But anyway, sorry thing. But I'm forward facing my phone here while I'm talking to you guys. Anyway, I gotta drive up to Springfield. My brother-in-law knows this guy that's gonna do it. Yeah, I gotta pay him to do that as well. But it probably won't be. It'll probably be a couple of days before he does it, but that's okay. He said maybe tomorrow, Monday. It's a Sunday right now, so the November 3rd? No, 2nd. Is it? Hang on, sorry. Yeah, where are we at? Today's the 2nd. Sorry, I put my finger right in front of you guys. It's November 2nd here. So there's a Sunday, November 2nd. So it's probably going to be either Monday or Tuesday. They'll put the engine in, and it'll probably be only a day there. So I know this truck's got 351,000 miles on it. And everybody's like, well, why are you sinking money into an engine? You should just go get another truck. The way the times are nowadays, no. No, I don't want to get another truck. I like the truck I got for what I like I told my brother-in-law Hector, for what I use my truck for. It's a work truck, basically. Yeah, it gets me back and forth to my full-time job, but, whatever side jobs I do, I'm not really hauling anything heavy, and then, if, of course, I'm picking up mowers in it. I'm not really worried about going, I'm not really looking for... It's another V6 engine, so this one's got 91,000 miles on it. When it got pulled, it was pulled out of a wrecked truck, I think. But the engine was still good in it, thank goodness. So it worked out for me. So I got that, and I got to drive up there. My mom's going to be following me in my car. Almost at her car. I'm at her work right now, so I'm waiting for her. And we're going to drive up there. I got to drop my truck off there, and then, I'll show you, after that, well, hopefully enough, when I'm going to bring you guys back, and, it's running better. Hopefully enough it's running better than it has, because, right now, it's not a reliable truck to go anywhere, because it doesn't have the power anymore to go anywhere. I do good to just go down the regular road, let alone try to get on the interstate there. So, anyway, and the exhaust, the fumes from the oil burning and all that, it gets to the point where it's starting to affect me even when I get near my vehicle when I start it up, because it's burning it so bad, it's making me gag and all that stuff. So not good either in that route as well. So anyway, I'll start it up, and then I'll let you guys listen to what it's doing. And you guys can probably see the smoke. I know it's cold out here today, but you'll see the smoke too, because it blows the blue smoke out like crazy there. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my truck is doing, and then when I turn it back on again, we will be up there in Springfield to drop it off. So anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys what my truck is doing right now with the engine that's in it, and then hopefully enough when we get it back, it'll be better and more enjoyable to drive. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. Turn off that. Had the heat on. See, it's got 351,000 miles on it right now. Now watch when it starts up. Of course, check engine lights on. I'm gonna get out so you guys can see what it's doing. Actually, I'm gonna pull the hood open. Pull you guys around to the back first and show you guys what it's doing. There's that. You guys can probably hear it from when I get over here. So, like I said, I try to do what I can on this engine, but I'm going a different route with it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like now, and hopefully enough when I bring you guys back, it'll have a different engine in it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys back, and when we get up there to Springfield to drop it off. So all right, I'll bring you guys back in a few seconds. All right, I just dropped off my truck, so it'll be hopefully enough when I get it back, we'll have a better engine in it. So I dropped it off where I'm supposed to have it fixed at, up here in Springfield. So I know it's dark because the daylight savings time's changed, so I'll bring you guys back when we come and pick it up. So hopefully enough it'll run better then, and everything will be fixed on it.
I just happened to look, I'm like, there's the engine right here.
Yeah, look how bad this thing was.
It's got the filter on it and everything else. He must be, I wonder if he went to lunch or something.
That was it, good Lord.
Yeah.
It was bad.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he laid everything up on the, I think.
Alright everybody, I'm heading home now. I got my truck back. I can only pay him part of the money because you were doing it through Zelle. I can only send him part of the money. I got to send him the rest tomorrow there to get this paid off. But I got it. I'm bringing the truck home, and I'm actually happy with it so far. It's going good down the highway. Eventually, it's going to need some back brakes and some bearings. I think it's the bearings in the front. It sounds like it in the back, though, but I don't think it is. But anyway, there's Greenbrier Police. Anyway, because we're down to 45 going through here. Anyway, I'm getting ready to come back home with it. My mom's in back at me. Well, she got, I think she had to slow down because of the cops. But she's there. I don't know if you guys can see her. There's a little car in the distance there that's coming down behind me. That's my mom. She's in my car right now. So yeah, I'll get it home, and then I'm happy as Larry. My truck is my work truck, and I know I probably spent more than I needed to on it, being a 99, but you know, it helps me make money, and it's gonna hurt me a little bit financial wise, but I'll make it up. But I'm happy. I'm happy. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get home. I'm gonna enjoy the ride, and I'll bring you guys back in a second. All right, guys. I didn't never conclude the video of it when it's already in January now. When I got that, it's been a few months since that engine got swapped out in my truck. There, remember I told you I was driving back, and I said I'll get back to you guys, and I never did. Either that or I lost the footage of it when I did. But anyway, I've gotten a few miles on here since then. I think I already rolled over. I was at 351,000 and some change on it. Now I'm already went over that. I'm at 352 on it. Here, let's go check and see real quick. Here, I think I'm at 352-ish, and here, let me see, let me get in here and open my truck, and here real quick, where are we at? On here, and navigating, asshole. Okay. Yeah, we are sitting at 352,246. It says I put 132 miles on it. I think I reset it when I did my thing. I got to start up my truck. I think the battery's a little low on it. Here. Yeah, I'm at 352,246. There on my truck. There, whoop. Yeah, it's 350. Sorry, I got you guys on an angle. I got my tripod there. Yeah, I'm at 352,246. There. So, yeah, I got you guys on the side there. I'm at to start my truck up here. I haven't started it up since I've been on vacation this week, so I've been actually started on my days off switched now, so I'm off Friday and Saturday now. So yeah, since then I've been off, so I've been doing some other stuff, and I forgot to film the residual of my truck here. It's been doing good. Now I did have one instance where I was seeing a friend, and the check engine light popped on for a little bit, and it kept telling me that it was running lean, and I was like, oh, okay, that's odd. But I reset the check engine light, it hasn't come back on since, so it reset itself. So I guess, I don't know, it must have just I hit something. I guess when I jerked it out of gear real quick to go in and out of gear to turn around somewhere, and that's when it popped on. So I don't know, maybe I turned it a certain way and it made the light come on, but it hasn't been on since. So anyway, it's been doing good there. So you know, I just wanted to give you guys a closure on my truck, getting that engine swap done there. So anyway, guys, like this video, give me a thumbs up there. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and I am trying to put some stuff up there on Facebook as well. I made a Facebook page about my some of my small engine work through my channel. So anyway, I'll try to post up there as much as I can too. Anyway, you guys like, share, subscribe, keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. See you guys on the next one. Y'all take care.